Veteran actor Anupam Kher launched his show, The Anupam Kher Show, Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, in Mumbai. The show is starting from July 6 at 8 p.m. on Colors Channel. The first episode will feature Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan. Anupam actually wanted megastar Amitabh Bachchan in the first episode of the show. At the launch of his chat show, Anupam talked about this and a lot more.
कोई ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी था जिसको आप लाना चाह रहे थे और नहीं आ पाया इस सीजन में? वो
नहीं, मैं मिस्टर बच्चन को चाहता था अपने पहले एपिसोड में, बट जो लोग मैं इस शो को 20 दिनों में करना चाहता था, बिकॉज हमने सेट लगाया था 20 दिन के लिए, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं अगले एपिसोड में आ जाऊंगा आपके। सो ऐसे कोई किसी ने मना नहीं किया, बट बिकॉज दे वर बिजी, मसरूफ थे, इसलिए वो होपफुली नेक्स्ट सीजन में आए। नो शो एंड इन नो शो आई हैव प्रमोटेड एनी फिल्म। There is no promotion of the film because that was not the purpose. No, David Letterman's show will be the answer of India, Anupam Kher show. Why should I be? Not at all. Not at all. I don't think David Letterman's show has a heart. He's a great chat show host, but I see lack of heart in it. Because it's a daily show, he can't put his heart in it. But I think it's a better show, and I'm not saying it with arrogance. I'm saying it with a lot of love for David Letterman and a lot of respect for him. No, I don't think it cannot be copy of anybody. So anybody from the media who wants to make in comparison, Anupam ka matlab hota hai not somebody who can't be compared to anybody. So good or bad, this is my show. And I'm ready to take if it's not good, it's because of me. If it's good, because of everybody else. Promos that you have seen, the writing that hasn't gone into promos is this table, which is here. There is no way this show could have been possible. And I'm not giving a speech just to thank them. They know that how much important they are in my life. And how I have made their life miserable by calling them up, ki ye kaisa hai. And their involvement was phenomenal. And I would like to continue with them for the rest of my seasons. And we will just ask one question to Mr. Raj Nayak. How many seasons is he promising me right now? Yes, what's your question, sir?
Experience doing that, and what do you expect from this show?
You see, when I did say something to Anupam Uncle, it was very popular because I did not treat kids as kids. I treated them as adults. So they got very comfortable with that. Children don't like to be treated as kids. In this show, I treated my guests as my friends. And all of them said that after 5 minutes, we forgot that we are in a television studio, then there are audience, and there is camera. I think that was the magic of this show. एक बार देखिए, कुछ भी हो सकता। मेरे साथ पता क्या हुआ? मैंने कुछ politically कुछ बोल दिया था, तो 15-20 लोग आ गए मेरे स्कूल में पत्थर मारने। ये हमारे पास टेप किया हुआ है, तो वो आके बोलने लगे, अनुपम खेर जिंदाबाद, अनुपम खेर जिंदाबाद। पीछे से बोला नहीं, मुर्दाबाद बोलना है, मुर्दाबाद बोलना है।
Bollywood Country Report.